Ready. Oh, shit! Damn it!
Old dogs tell a sickening tale. One rolls deep grooves, unchanged by the matted fur, grin wide with fear, and express the waking madness. Shall I snap the pointed hand, or nibble at its fingertips? When this custom is told to wipe its mouth clean of taste, the twitch returns with claws.
Who are you?
Wail down your command, barking off hours of training. Forget me, forget you. Forget the horde of savage mutts and sever the leash to control. Unleash the madness.
What do you want with me?
A little bird told me he saw two men walking about untouched by a song. Now I'm curious as to how you two aren't off your heads by now. Now I was just about ready to tear you two limb from limb. Then I saw your friend's face. That's right. Me and him have some history. Yeah, it's all coming back now, isn't it, Brown?
You were dead.
I bet you thought I was.
Why aren't you dead?
You know, there's a reason they call me Four-Eyed Lloyd. Things don't slip past me unnoticed. I was ready the night you pigs came to oink. Yankee Doodle had a farm, oink oink, oink oink. Son of a bitch! I've been wondering about how I would repay you. Death just doesn't seem cruel enough.
Enough is in order!
shit, man. These guys are stupid.
Walking through a swamp, walking through the woods. Every day, every night, walking through the woods. Walking through a swamp, walking through a field. Every day, every night, walking through a field. Walking through the fields, walking through the woods. Walking through the fields and the swamps and the woods. Walking through the woods, walking through the fields. Getting tired, my heels are hurting very much. Walking through the woods, walking through the fields. Hoping I will find a place to lie down. Walking through the woods, walking through the fields. My pain heels are very hurting much. Walking through the woods, walking through the fields. My heels hurt a lot.
Victor, where's your bag?
My bag?
Yeah, where's your bag?
I don't know.
But Victor, there was medicine in there. Jesus, man. So what was all that about?
I worked the night shift at Durgo Prison. Lloyd was maximum security. You should have seen the fuckers when we didn't have enough antidote for everyone.
What happened?
Another time.
I used to play music. I used to busk at this sort of mom and pop place. It's kind of like the local troubadour, you know? These days, if you sing a song, people blow your brains out and then shit on your corpse.
Why are you telling me all this hippie shit?
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
Good. We're close to the city. If we're lucky, there'll be some medicine there.
Why would we want to go to the city? There's infected people there, and it's not good. We should stay in the country where there's no crazy people.
Where there's infected people, there's medicine and food.
But there's infected people, and they'll kill us.
And soup.
I'm in.
Howdy. We drove the goons out of the city about a month ago. Most of them were high off cocaine or cat piss, so it wasn't really too difficult. But that's not the point, is it? The point is we survived. We kicked the bird shit that lingered there straight back to England where the rest of it still is. You know how we did it? I don't fucking know. My name's Jerry. It's quiet, it's cold, it's dead. Cheers.
How long have you been here, Jerry?
That'll come later. For now, I want to lay down some ground rules. Rule number 1, and this one is very important. Never, and I mean never, leave the city without explicit orders to do so by moi. Rule number 2, never break rule number 1. Ever. Rule number 3, do what I say when I say it. Rule number 4, any food or medicine supplies that you happen to have on your person will be taken and rationed out to the colony. Rule number 5, no singing of any kind. You will be shot on sight. Failure to follow these rules will result in the immediate shit kicked out of you. Other than that, there's much to it. I think it's time I showed you something.